Hi everyone, my name is Simone Paplin and my U number is 125-20379. This is my second assignment for the Citizen Data certificate. This one is on employee analysis. So first we start out, this is the extra credit assignment. So first off, I'm going to go through the data source. So here is the data set. Over here we have the names, we have the gender, we have the current annual pay, we have the 2017 gross pay, overtime hours, the department they're in, the department name, the division, whether they are full-time or part-time. We have the division, we have the position, who they're under. We also have the date they're hired, the zip code, the zip name, and the number of fields in total. So there are 55 fields in this entire data set. So I thought it was important that we look at the bottom and see how many, but we are missing number of field number 54. So just also want to take note of that. So we ended up creating 4 different visualizations for you. So we first have a code map based on the zip code. We have a gender bar chart based on male and female for gross pay. We have a years hired bar chart, and we also have a overtime tree map showing each department and how much overtime they have and what's the annual revenue. So when we go here to the employees book, I'm going to move this over here. So first off, we start with the zip code map. So here is all the areas around the District of Columbia. So we have different cities. So each city is involved in each of the zip codes. So for this example, it's Brandywine. The zip code is 20613, and the 2017 gross pay received is $20,940,477. And it goes all the way till Glendale, which is the zip code 20769, and the 2017 gross pay received is $20,564,685. So I included this little key at the bottom going from $18,397,425 all the way up to $23,504,772. So this zip code map, it goes color by color, and each zip code you can click on and it will tell you the zip name, and the amount of pay received. So this is talking about one specific area in the zip code map around the District of Columbia, and it's going through their gross pay for each zip code. So this is just the example we chose. Then we have a gender bar chart, which is over here. It is female is blue and male is orange, and we have a key code right here showing that. So this is the gross pay received. So for males, it is $477,321,991, and for females, it is $271,240,928. So this is just an easy gender bar chart that I want to include. Then we also have a years hired bar chart. So I am going to leave right here. Slide it up. Okay, so here is the years hired bar chart. We have the number of fields, and it goes all the way from 3 to 55. So it talks about the gross pay in millions, and the number of fields is the x-axis. So let me see. Okay. So for example, we have the 2017 gross pay received for the number of fields. Number 3 is $15,672,083, and it goes all the way up to here, which is number 14, and number 6 happen to be in the 39 million range. And then we have all the way over here, which is number of fields number 53, and it's only at 178,915. So this is just a bar chart comparing when you're first hired with departments. So the number of fields, it was, again, like we said before, up to 55. And then the last one is the overtime tree map, and here we have the department names that we go through. We also have the gross pay received and the overtime pay. So the top ones for fire and rescue services, which was the gross pay was 131,594,993. And for example, a small little blue one was the Department of General Services, and the gross pay received was 33,646,751, and the overtime pay was 2,426,582. So we included a little key right at the bottom, going all the way from blue being the lower ones with the lower overtime pay, all the way up to red, which is higher, and fire and rescue services happen to be 25 million. So thank you so much for watching my analysis and learning about my visualizations that I created for this assignment. Thank you so much and have a great day.